Hi, my name is HP. We are at Picola Pizza in Linden. The restaurant is about 23 years old. I am the third owner of the restaurant. Yeah, COVID, especially within the COVID time, 3 years ago, that was very difficult on restaurateurs. In our fast foods, restaurants, with limited people coming in, staff working for you. Thank God we didn't lose any member of our team. Big difference. Sometimes the staff, I should say myself as well, we forgot about, did you order the gas? How many 9 kg we need? How many 19 kg we need? You forget sometimes. And 7 o'clock in the evening, who do you want to call? How do you want to do it? You got orders on the stove. You need to cook. So with Igoli, with natural gas, it's there. Turn on the pipe and make sure you have a lighter or a match. Very convenient. Yeah, look, I believe it cooks differently. The constancy of the heat, although the pipe, the bottle also does that. I don't know, it's difficult to explain, but when you stand by the stove and stirring your onion and your goodies in the pot, it smells differently.
You can see.
I don't know if I want to feel it that way or it really does smell differently. A lot better different. I keep cooking next to the stove every week. I buy the best ingredients possible, from your oregano to your top meats. With Igoli Gas, we are on our 7th month. It just happened last year, December I think it was, but we got connected early this year. And they came, they put the new pipes for us, and we got our gas connected and our griller, which is good, easy, reliable. We're happy with it. The trust gone so big and it's there strongly. So I got actually rid of all my bottles, all my cylinders. I don't have anything work with cylinder here anymore. Lucky we're running out of the oven, wood oven for our pizzas, and Igoli and natural gas for our other dishes. We don't use anything electric to cook our food, not even a microwave to warm our food. Everything's done naturally.